the main petition is for maintenance of rupees 25,000, Your Lordship. The petitioner and the respondents for divorces and they are remarried, Your Lordship. The petitioner has got an aged mother of 75 years and he has got a son, Your Lordship. Stayed only for 1 month. Thereafter, my Lordship, she left the company of the petitioner.
What is your offer? Ask your client what is that she wants.
My Lordship, the order in the challenge is, my Lordship, the interim maintenance granted by the family court to a tune of rupees 20,000, Your Lordship.
20,000.
20,000. My Lordship, the
what is the interim order of this court?
My Lordship, interim order, my Lordship, this court modified the interim order to 10,000, my Lordship. And I have paid till date, I have paid the, my Lordship, 10,000 at the rate of 10,000.
3 months arrears is there. Last occasion I made submission.
No, he has to pay another 30,000.
But I have obtained the order sheet before the trial court. Till date, I have paid, my Lordship.
He says another 30,000 doesn't matter. Yes, next. Please come to the order. What is the income of the husband?
My Lordship, 45,000, my Lordship. My Lordship, in this case, my contention is, my Lordship, my Lordship, the main petition is for maintenance of rupees 25,000, Your Lordship. My Lordship, both the petitioner and the respondent, the marriage was took place in the year 2017. Both the petitioner and the respondents were divorces and they are remarried, my Lordship. And there was no issues. The petitioner has got an aged mother of 75 years and he has got a son, Your Lordship. The same was intimated to the respondent before marriage. My Lordship, she has stayed only for 1 month. Thereafter, my Lordship, she left the company of the petitioner and she filed the petition for maintenance. And she has filed in a complaint, my Lordship, against the petitioner for 498, my Lordship, other offences also. My Lordship, in the main petition is for maintenance of rupees 25,000, Your Lordship. I have produced the entire order sheet, Your Lordship, and I filed objections to the main petition. And IA number 2 is filed for interim maintenance of rupees 20,000, Your Lordship. My Lordship, there was no opportunity for me.
25,000.
Lordship, main petition for 25,000, interim application 20,000, Your Lordship. Lordship, I have filed objections to the main petition. So far as IA number 2 is concerned, my Lordship, no opportunity was given to me to file objections to the IA number 2, Your Lordship. Okay, I have produced the entire order sheet also. Lordship, now
where is that? Let's see first. Where is that? That order sheet.
Lordship, order sheet at page 65, Your Lordship. Page 65, the relevant portion at page 68, Your Lordship. That is on 12/4/2019. So and so filed NOC Wakalat, DMC report received, matter not settled. For objections to the main petition, call on by 27/6/2019. Lordship, again on 27/6/2019, finally for objection statement to the main petition and IA number 2. Call on 1/8/2019. Your Lordship may come to page 69, Your Lordship. That is on 2/11/2019. Respondents Council filed objections to the main petition. Objection to IA number 2 taken as not filed. On that day, I filed an objections to the main petition. And my objection.
No, what is this not giving an opportunity? Court will eternally wait for you that you will come and file objections.
No, my contention on that day I sought time.
Please wait. It started on 21/1/2019. You asked for time. No, when is the order passed? On 26/2/2021.
Yes.
How much time you require?
On that day, that is on 2/11/2019, I filed objections to the main petition and sought time for my Lordship to file objections to the IA number 2, Your Lordship. That was not given.
How many times the matter underwent adjournment? If you not filed it, it is not the court's problem.
No, it was posted for, now kindly see, objections to IA number 2 taken as not filed for petitioner evidence. The matter is set down for petitioner evidence, Your Lordship. That is the reason I am not able to file objections to IA number 2. It's for petitioner evidence by 15/1/2020.
Where did the court say that you can't file your objection?
Objections has not, objections to IA number 2 taken as not filed.
Before that?
Before that, it was urgent for filing of objections to the main petition and as well as IA number 2.
So you should have filed it.
Lordship, that is my submission on that day. Lordship, I filed objections to the main petition and sought for time to file objections to the IA number 2, Your Lordship.
Yes.
My contention is, my Lordship, no opportunity was given.
How much you are ready to pay?
Lordship, in fact, my Lordship, now she is not, my Lordship, willing to join with the petitioner. My Lordship, we have an offer, my Lordship. Lordship, we are ready to pay an offer was given to my learned friend, Your Lordship, but
What is your offer?
Lordship, we are seeking from the
It can't
respond-
be
we are seeking offer from the respondent, Your Lordship. That is the reason.
Not so far, he is not give any offer to what,
No,
how
no.
much?
You come out with your whatever you
Before
want
that,
to say.
before that, not he has produced his salary certificate before the family court. He is
No,
trying
what he says is,
78,000.
I have no opportunity for my objections. Now again, this matter is sent back for objections. How much time it will take? Ask your client, what is that she want? And put forth to him.
Because the Lordship, she is not willing to join with the petitioner. That is the reason, Lordship, we have given an offer.
He is ready to join the company with the petitioner.
She is ready to join.
Yes.
Lordship, on the
Who
last,
told you?
Before the court.
Who told you she is not ready to join? She says she is ready to join.
Lordship, before the family court, Lordship, she
Now
refused.
tell your client that she is ready to join.
Lordship, I will secure instructions, Lordship. Yes.
When-
Before the family court, it was a contention of the respondent, Lordship.
Anyhow, now she is ready. How does it matter? Like, what
I
she
will,
has
Master, I will secure
Now,
instructions.
when that 30,000 you are going to pay the arrears of 30,000.
I have secured the entire order sheet, Lordship. I have paid every month without fail. If Lordship, if any due is there,
Before the
Lordship,
family court, there is no.
Lordship, if any due is pending, Lordship, I
Before
am
this
ready.
court only, on
According to the
17th.
land counsel for the petitioner submits that, respondent submits that as per the interim order passed by this court, the husband has to pay 10,000 as of now. The arrears are 30,000. Land counsel, the petitioner shall pay the arrears, if any, but within 10 days from today. Post